So Wednesday is our busiest day of Thanksgiving. Oh, that's the day to come in and really get a nice fresh pie. But you can still come in on Thursday morning, Thanksgiving morning. We're open until 1 o'clock for your last minute Thanksgiving pies, and that's a great day to pop in as well. It took us so many years to finally take orders online. We were really struggling to get this up and running because, as you know, Thanksgiving is our busiest time of the year, and people would be calling and calling and calling, trying to place an order, and the phones were busy because everybody waits to the last minute. So when we finally got up and running with asking our customers to go ahead and go online and place their order, probably 30% of our special order pre-order pies were done online. So we're really excited about that. That really helped us out a lot, so that we had time then to just focus on, serving customers and baking pies and not being on the phone all day. So we appreciate you when you go online and pre-order your pie. Nowadays, it's probably 80 or 90% of our pre-orders are done online. So I apologize if you're trying to call us and the phones are busy, but going online, placing your order there, it's really easy, no hassle. So we are now accepting online orders. We're now taking Thanksgiving pre-orders. Go to the link below. It'll take you right to our order page. It's so easy. Oh, that's a newborn. That baby needs some pie.